as you know, Ireland obviously is moving towards generation of electricity offshore. There are huge opportunities for Ireland in that regard. EirGrid play a very big role in managing our grid infrastructure. So with bringing the energy ashore, there's new opportunities, there's new technologies, and there's a lot of additional work. EirGrid are going to be spending a lot of money on the grid over the next 3-4 years, over 18 billion in total between ESB Networks and EirGrid. So EirGrid today, we're launching a procurement opportunity to allow companies to bid for this work. Now there's opportunities for companies outside of Ireland, but really importantly, there's great opportunities for local indigenous engineering companies that can be part of the supply chain of these major projects. And I know EirGrid will be working really hard to get that delivered on time.
How important is it to be here at WindEurope in terms of meeting other people, suppliers, collaboration?
Well, there's so much happening with renewable energy right across the globe now, but the centre of it really is in Europe. So no country has all the answers. No company has all the solutions. But what we like to do in an area like this is, first of all, it allows governments to show the companies that there's opportunities in our locations, but also it allows companies to talk to each other, see better ways of doing things, strategically develop new ways that are quicker, faster and cheaper.